Thumbs up below. Kayakha. Check. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Shechef Season 4 finale. I hope you are all looking forward to this great competition. And as we all know, we have started cooking since day 1, which is the 20th of May 2025, and 6 contestants have been competing for the prestigious prize of Shechef Season 4 winner, who will be awarded with a cash prize of 50,000 rupees. The runner-up will be awarded with a cash prize of 30,000 rupees, and the third position will be awarded with a cash prize of 20,000 rupees. And also, the remaining contestants will be awarded with consolation prizes. This competition is very unique because the contestants are cooking only indigenous cuisine using indigenous producers, and most importantly, it's only competition only for the women. And so this is the, I would say, this is the best cooking competition for women in Manipur. All right, first of all, before we move on, I would like to introduce you and welcome the curator of this competition. I would like to introduce you, Mrs. Shangrewan Molto, the co-founder of POPA and also the curator of this competition. Thank you so much. And the respected judges. First of all, I would like to introduce Chef Jingya Shinglai. She is the proprietor of Joey Treats. And secondly, Chef Nikesh Ashem. He is a restaurateur. And thirdly, Tahini Teresa Obo. She's an entrepreneur and also the winner of Shechef Season 3 and Shanghai Chef Season 3. So, considering the curator, the judges, this competition has a lot of potential and weightage in it itself. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the most important participants of this competition. Without them, this competition is of meaningless. So, let us welcome our contestants. Firstly, contestant number 1, J.S. Sicily. Secondly, contestant number 2, Persemning Rumun. Thirdly, Anne Tanchila and Sushila Bonmai, Joystree Haisnam, and the youngest of all, Solanmi Jajo. These are our contestants of the Shechef Season 4. They have been cooking for the top prize since the 20th. They have on the first day cooked a signature dish. They have also cooked thali, which brings them their childhood memories. And on the third, which is yesterday, they cooked vegetarian food. For the finale, they will be cooking an innovation dish, which will judge their creativity, their skill, and many more. And they'll be cooking for 1.5 hours. So once they're done cooking, the judges here, they will be tasting the food, and the feedbacks and comments will also determine the result, the outcome of the result. And after the end of that, the result will be declared and the winners will be adjusted. All right, just before we move on to the cooking, I would like to request our curator to kindly say a few words, also to encourage our contestants since this is the finale.
Okay. ngasi si ekoigi fourth drone ne ngasi ina maitelon ngangjage haibidi ekoigi viewers mayam ni request soba koisi maitelon su yawan bio haibise aduni na ekoisi Shechef cooking competition haibise Prime Minister gi Beti Bachao Beti Padhao adugi slogan gi makhada women entrepreneurs singbo or foodpreneurs singbo ekoine motivate tonangai encourage tonangai si platform pisabane aduga sidisu ekoina sigi si ai gi damakte di sisi yamne creative oiba event haina lojaninge haibidi sida ekoina chak insang ekoigi cuisine promote tobisi kyamuk importance labra haibisi isana industry sida 25 years lekramnina understand tobnina aigi knowledge aigi khangma expertise adu share toningba aduga sisi awareness se haijaningba aduga sigisi ekoina chef haibasi yamne respectable job oibane mapandadi infal dadi ekoina cha insang thongbu haina yamna khara nemna lobugumna su uwe adubu aina haijaningmadi mayamda yamne respectable job oibane yamne well paid job su oibane hujik ekoina like 5-star hotel gi
which is one of my favorites. What are you preparing on the theme of innovation?
On the theme of innovation, I'm preparing this steak because I have always loved steak. So this will be like a heel steak, like how the tribal eat. The sauce will be an innovative idea. That's it. The rest, the taste, you will know it later.
In case you give me some to eat, right? Okay, and what are the side dishes you're preparing?
Side dish, I'm making the squash chayote sprout boil. And the other one is I'm going to make a dessert with chakhao, the black rice, sticky rice.
All right, thank you so much and all the best. All right, let's get over to Pershemning Rumun. How are you doing today?
I'm good.
Feeling nervous since it's the final?
No, not at all.
Your confidence has boosted like anything since day one. Ado nang kari thonggani nishi. Nishi di innovation round oibanina. Nangi innovative ideas singse karamaina implement taugni.
Ngashi yen sa thonggani aduga manungsha duna singju oina semgani.
Manungsha yengi manungsha.
Yengi manungsha singju with yongchak.
Aduga side dishes singdi kari.
Adu huziki manungsha gi duna side dish oirani aduga saitui haina ama semgani ekhoi londa haibne sai
Chiru special.
Yeah, chiru special saitui.
What is that made of?
It is made of only 4 ingredients, and for the smell we can add this one.
No. Yes, I'm just kidding. That's a good aroma. All right, thank you so much. Do you think you will be able to give the best dish today?
Yes.
Great. All the best. Let's get to Sushila Abonmai, the coolest contestants, the one who speaks the very less yet cooks the best food as well. Sushila, what are you cooking for us today? Kari thongganing ishi kra haibio.
Ngasidi ngazi spice apaga steam tawani akoigi Manipuri da akoi tampak ta leiba singna nganam semado ado agi type ta di loba ado eraga su steam tawre hairaga ado spice apaga adum shemani
Adum loina makshi adum aduga side dishes ti kari prepare tawani.
Side ti hojiki nga daga chaba yanaba akoigi green pea hawai tharak ado adu yaro adum chamina adu taran
Haugani adu nangi innovative idea haibdo kadaida phangani for the judges to know.
Azi akoigi nga ga green pea ze akoigi normally akoina chaba da di dum nga sida hawai tharak si hapaga chabani ado hojiki oina haragani innovation gi haibani na akoigi nga si chamna steam tawraga chabada su nuaite yengbuda su phajade aduni na nga du steam tawrani spice apani aduga hojiki akoigi green pea ze smash tawre haraga dum masak su phajana ba sauce ki type ta aduga dum chamina gani.
All righty, looking forward to it, Sushila. All the best. All right, let's get over to the tallest of all, Tanjila. What are you wearing? Why are you taller than me? Okay, what are you cooking for us today?
Today I'm going to cook puffed curry, and then I'm going to add some local ingredients. Well, I'm going to make the this sticky rice with the cover. I'm going to make a dessert so that it goes with the food I cook today.
Wait, what is the main dish?
My main dish will be the buff curry with rice.
So what is the innovative thing which you have put into it? What is the innovative idea which would be different from the rest?
My innovative thing will be this sticky rice because I made this by myself. Actually, this was with rice cover. I boiled it and then I fry it and then I make it into different. So I'm hoping that this will be something good.
Itum how now na zakam suila no chicken no wuivang.
Itum we how la jam shui sai thalala atum na gaza ji October leg sane ka ari hon itum na zagi ji bai atam mi deu hang te da khang te lang te sala bai.
Okay, Tangkhul, our maleilak tiam shell. All the best.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Let's get over to the girl from Shinkap. Solan Mijajo, what are you going to prepare for us today?
Today I'm going to cook pork simply with some garlic and salt and chili powder, and I'll roast it later and I'll serve it. And with this I'll make a soup, mushroom and the tomato. That's it.
That's it? Okay. You are known to be preparing simple food. Chef Nikesh has become your fan due to the simplicity. And again, you're going to cook a very simple yet delicious food again. What is your interest in cooking simple food? Nang iba ni siya may tilon na ngang ha, may tilon da hay biyo kari ginang simple dish kakta cook tau bra.
Like akoy khunda hadi amna moroi morang hapte like simple da hap semaga dish to loi chana bane adugena sida represent toning makoy traditional se.
All right, thank you so much, Solanmi, and all the best. No, pias anak, chanam anak. Cook ping khang jane. Okay, I have here the Loktak girl, Joyశ్రీ Haisnam. She has come all the way from Loktak. For those who doesn't know, she is from an island within the Loktak. Chumeko. Adu nang kari thongani ki home ure. Adu nang main dish kari thongani innovation round nina kari thongani shi.
Hello guys, I'm Joyశ్రీ Haisnam from Thanga. Ngasi aina thongada hinjang se pork thongani. Ayam matamda pork se it represents hill. Aduna pork se I have round they the sunga cook tau de adubu. What I learned from Ukrul is that you can try make the pork with simple ingredients used or but at the same time I want to represent my heritage. Adugi aina pork ka lotus roots. But crispy lotus roots hapkani because like it's like when the hills meet the lake. So the lake lotus shape water the float to the lotus is flying on top of the hills. Have a idea to represent I'm gonna make that mendes.
Great idea do yam pajare. Adu side dishes indi kari thongani.
I will make one grilled pineapple. Perilla seeds with mint, which goes well with the fruit. So I'm gonna make a grilled pineapple, and another is that I'm gonna make a salad. Actually, it's not salad; it's a chutney. But then it is made with cucumber, carrot, and then I'm gonna put some local herbs, so that even if you taste the chutney, you feel like you have added some vegetables. So I wanna make a blend with fruits, meat, and then the chutney. So I made sure of that.
Great, Joyశ్రీ. Lots of ingredients and dishes. Looking for. Adun mabu Miss Shinju. Haina should title should pick up. Nengashi Shinju yauda bro.
I have always met Singzu, so I want to let the judges know that I can also make simple food because in 3 rounds I have always shown the complicated dishes, but today I just want to use less ingredients and more flavorful. That's it.
Very smart and intelligent, Joyశ్రీ. All the best. Ebu karapi jao ko horen. Thank you. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the contestants are gearing up, trying to give the best food they have ever cooked in their life, because this is the finale. They are cooking for a 50,000 cash prize, 30,000, 20,000, and also not just the cash prize, but the title of the winner of Shechef Season 4. Come here. We have some audience here. Oh, that's my mom and sister. They have run away. Come here. I have lured them to come here. I have lured them with the promise of prepare them food. My mom and my sister are also good cooks, so I would ask them their expectations. Kim Thamne ara ish thum atum na sorry. He competition ila first time saw with the rayang dak hi ka thadale expectations ka.
Yang ka to ngi hada hang thein an le. Ila ari ji hang dak ni shao le ila hilira sa si jo paras dak le next li ila mok shui ra. Yu ila bai.
Yeah, so she said she is going to be one of the contestants next season because it's interesting. Yeah, achon. Yeah, hang rayang dak le hi ka thada thei gui da ang nong nam pha pokai re yang I thang gi da hi na thaing sak ji li chon sak dak le ne nan rayang dak le experience ka tha sali
ring phana ye itum Shirui Lily Festival li ajukum hina thei khre la ko I ne shi zoology department we HOD ishiwui research scholar Pvt Pettigrew College chena ishi hi la lang nai ra da ka hi rayang je ma zat thui ngai khai
Matzat lilo, young gublo, in a Iwis Hashagi in Tony Mishayor. All right, here we got them now, sir. Or Jamang Danishi. Oh, we have met. You are also a badminton player, right? So, how is your experience here? I mean, witnessing the Shechef cooking competition.
It's really enjoying and it's fun to see like this new thing coming up in this event.
Okay.
And I myself also interested in cooking.
Okay.
So I believe that today, joining this event, I'm going to learn something new.
Right,
I can
right.
cook for my friends and family.
Right. So do you think this kind of activity, this kind of event is needed more in our society?
I believe so. We have so many indigenous way of cooking.
Right.
I feel that this way we can also tell to other world that we are also good in cooking.
Right.
To the other people.
So by looking at all the 6 contestants, which one is the most captivating one for me? Just the initial part. Later on, we never know what will happen.
Most of them look very serious, and I feel they all are good in cooking too.
Right.
And I believe the one who is from
Loktak,
Joyce, yeah. She may be
Joyce,
very
you have a fan here.
cooking, yeah, I wanted to try her cooking also.
Okay, but then we'll have to be here till the end in order to eat it. All right, thank you. Well, what about you? You won't eat anything later? All right. Thank you so much. Just a reminder, the contestants will be cooking for 1.5 hours. 10 minutes, 15 minutes gone. Yeah, they started around 12:50. So you have ample amount of time to cook the food you have imagined. Chef Nikesh, chef, this side, chef. Yes. What are your observations on the food she's preparing? Nang ma she steak ne hai. Ado steak she thongbam tan matam khara changba male. So
ma se
karamai tauri.
kaino tawba matam da khoina magi cooking temperature aduga magi doneness haiba ma leiba ko rare medium haiba medium rare haiba medium well done adu magi sidi well done fazana thongba ko khoi haidi north east boy ro india manung da di meat chaba se khitang well done oina chaba ni na ko aduna magi cooking techniques is something steak tagi khitang steak semba gi mong da gi di khitang modify tawre ko
the innovation thing is here.
Yes,
all right.
yes.
Okay.
Aduga sauce yam sauce kaya am so same dori ko aduga pura very
Magi
innovative
ingredients yenga mana dish thongga tawche nang kari expectations kari le.
fruits season adori ko
Okay.
looking forward I di meat haiba se dum fruits ka combine to matam da cha ba ya ba pot ne ba ko masigi pot se do akhoi di chana de ta seng har ga de but magi yamna creative oiba dish to adugi do yeninge combine to ga da ge ha do
Okay. My creativity she shida ki thokni.
yes
All right. Pare. Atay should cry yang bio. Mokoi na thong li bishe. Chum libra. Is there any alternative way to cook whatever they're preparing?
Yes.
Ma she ngasay nang hype do. Ma she Shirui special dish ama yaw ne. Ado ma she chicken chule. Ngasay ma na hype do. Nang yang raga nang expectations kara hype bio. Nang comments kara piro. First impression.
chicken ka stew chicken put boil taraga ka and kay component oy gani chicken ne
kumru hai ba magi flavor plus ngasai lime ga marinate to ani to ge manam
so the magic is at the marination
Yeah.
marination the layer
Yeah.
magic is okay yes
Can we expect something great from her because the mushroom pakora she made yesterday was the
amazing
top.
amazing yam hawe aduga mase yamna she's very cool and calm she knows what she is doing
Okay.
aduna we always expect something from her
Right. Great.
all the best surprises with something new all the time so not a pressure on you but I know she'll do it
Right,
she'll do it.
definitely she'll do it. What are the ingredients? Whenever we looked at around on the different other tables, she has the list.
yes
The simplest one. Even now, I think she doesn't have much.
minimal amount
Right. So, do you think this can also produce a good aroma, a good flavor, whatever is needed in a dish?
Yes,
Is this enough?
yes so ingredients yam dana ko
Okay.
khak na quality apaba season naraga
Okay.
manam nuksiba ingredients season naraga component amani na dish se yam tina hawan basulai adugi poto and she's good at that
Wow. All right. If good comments from the chef. Okay. Get on with it, Solani. Right.
all the best
Okay. Chef, yes, while they are cooking, I just want to get your opinion on the indigenous cuisine. How important is us preserving or promoting indigenous cuisine? Because even now, whenever we go to restaurants or even in festivals, you go to stalls, we won't.
Still. Haibadi horendi ekoi nupi sing sidi marriageable age already long even if they are a chef also. And then ekoi gidum haidbi naturally pregnancy oibaganda aduga angang leibaganda de imana haibadi fit to khot base maman oibanina magi profession do like thadokraga sacrifice tobane adugi magda chain sang thong basi nupi sing ne hen hairasu hen creative oirasu I so in a very short span of time hotel 5-star hotel the thabak to baganda tuna promotion chu phange ado chef koina su yamna appreciate to we ai creativity ai hard work to uraga adu oiraba maksu ekoina sumaina prolong continue to bangam dabse after marriage like in mainland India the moi give parents sing family in-laws sing the so dum like in-laws sing the so kara objection leibagumba haibatare adu ai togani hena towe adu bo after that I adum tongan ba company ge thabak suminaye adu bu aina dum khanbada sedi male dominated oibni na ko si moi ge thabak to basi ai khoi the chance phangra su moi bu het piba du aina realize to bane isagi entrepreneurs am oina ai isagi business hobni aina ai business hobne Nagaland da 2010 dagi aina dum business horaga si mathang si da lae aduga asigi adu do haining mane challenges ti yam leye adubu ekoi like mentally strong oigida ba aina tawgni haibadu ko and environment hairaga dum 5-star hotel gumasi safe su dum oye haibidi nangonda kanani harassment obra create obra haibse koi HR da chatlaga dum report to yeah adubu yeah challenges ti am levene that's why we get to see only male chefs most of the time in 5-star hotels.
Despite the challenges, despite the obstacles, you have gone through a lot, but still yet you are standing tall as one of the pioneers of chefs amongst our community of tribals. What would you want to say to the younger generation who aspires to become a chef?
Like they really have to. I mean, like you need.
About the scope. China's salary conversion.
Hoi.
Scope becoming a chef.
Hoi. Adu ai scope haibidi ekoi na hoi. Hujigandi ekoi ki skill ki training chule adubo. First of all ekoi ki ai di thong mathak pudu de di yamne passionate oibidi oiram dabane. Adubo angang oirenge de dim thong takpa. Adugo hotel management tamme. Adu de di ekoi si department Mari subani na amma choose to gudaba. Adu da ina dum si kitchen si choose to bane. Kitchen si choose to bane ina. Adu ni na anyone na koi na dum chef oininge haira de short course su le hujigandi hanna de dugumasu le. Like if you are focused only in hot kitchen, there's a culinary arts course ina diploma course su le. Aduga if you are interested only in baking and confectionery adugi course tongan na leye adumai na tawduna tongan maleye or ekoina si hotel management tammasi su ekoina si ekoi wakan na di hotel management tammasi bu haina khalle ko but it's graduate level gi ko graduation degree course ne si loiraga basu ekoina adum ekoina ima ipa na subya yadraga di ekoina dum competitive exam da shu ekoi dum thaba yae aina tabdi ekoi gi hujik ukrul gi disease su hotel management graduate ne masana shu haye ekoi gi adum ekoi like ekoi gi marup not marup colleague someone whom I know that he also completed his hotel management and cracked the UPS exams, so it's a degree course. Okay, perks of being a chef is like you get to explore many cuisines. Like if you are smart enough to go abroad, like you that culture, moiki culture pang mga uwe adugal, and aina dum aigi leipam da aibdi ekoi dum obstacle mayam do ekoi na struggle toraga kakhat ladi ekoi gi first that is salary di yam dam ningko, so people are very like kind of demotivated. But once you have get to take that line amaleba, adu he crossed over the like say for example back in 2008 when I was working with one of the catering company of airlines, salary back in 2008 it was almost 50,000 were made with accommodation, drivers and assistants. That was back in 2008. I was yes, but still I na adu thabok do thadok raga isagi towning ba amal laibagi ko adu hujik si executive chef 5-star hotel la makoi haibisi lak amma lak ani phang musuleye like say for example ekoi hujik na thong ri ba se kana mayang oibra kana kadai dagi country dagi oigera kana no thong ba heroi ba ekoi tribal gidi. Let's say for example serial number 1 si Tangkhul oire har di man hena thongba haidoi ne bako adu ekoi na siguma tawba ganda moi gi ekoi na naga gi cuisine si ekoi gi tribal cuisine si promote toge hai bugan si de mokoi si bu expect no expects chef ko moi gi di lak ani kumba sudum yowe haibidi eina career first start over the Thai chef and Japanese chef. Adu moi ge thabak subanga na moi gi salary si 2003 lakh amma hen lakh ani hen bane moi gi salary do, just because moi gi cuisine is already popularized already. There's a demand. But I insang sidi demand lately. So one of our, the vision is to create the demand, and the mission is to have organize such cooking competition. Writing, I've written a book also. So and then sharing those recipes to others so that they get to know our rich culture and cuisine. And at the same time, when they want to cook our food, the ingredients will be procured from Manipur. So it directly adds values to the producers of the farmer, which I really like to, So I'm really passionate about it. Though it kind of a little time consuming, but I have a very, very supportive husband. Supportive husband who always supports me in whatever I want, whatever endeavor I want to do. So tada hangay.
Thank you so much, Achon. Thank you for sharing all your experience and expertise. I'll get back to you with more questions later. All right. So for all the contestants, you have 30 minutes to go. 30 minutes left. So start preparing your food according to the time. Thank you.
Hello. 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 Hello.
너무 표지 앞으로 가면 앵글도 부자 들어가.
Check, check, check. Check. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the contestants are plating their food and they are getting ready to present their dishes to the judges. It's almost getting ready. Kindly bear with us. The judges are ready to eat, ready to roll. At least smile, no? See? Is Parshamning, are you ready to serve? Okay. Is she okay to serve? All right. Okay. Here is our first contestant ready to serve our judges. Please come forward. Our contestant number 2, Parshamning Rumun, with her innovative ideas, made these dishes. All right. Just before we serve to our judges, would like you to let us know what this dish is about. How did you make it, and how do you want our judges to eat it?
First of all, good afternoon, judges. Ngasi aina thongba hinjang se. First, asigi main dish oibasi han. First, aina lemon ga lime sega aduga ekoi gi mingda kumru kowe. Asigi root se asisi sura ganda hojik ki lime duga marinate tobne. Aduga spice yam hapta bida garlic, ginger, onion, and awa padigom, and a little bit of masala khazik hapaga thongbane. And this one is chicken inert oiba. Asisi yongchak maru and ginger. Karigumba sa asik hak chaba matamda ginger gi smell phangani. Aduga yongchak maru siga charadi both ginger ga yongchak maru gi manam phangani. And this one we call it saitui. Hinjang thongmom tamda saitui amet pagi mahi haiba. Asida ingredients mari manga oye aina chaiba siga manga oiba chili and then garlic, fermented fish and salt. And si kay go rakhande relengka. No, it's not lomba. Wild lomba oiba. Ekoi londa releng kowe adu chaiba. Manamdo ekoi na yot pa matamda di garlic ki manam do yot kani adubu chari ngai dadi asi ay na chai riba manam se phangani do haini. This one is drinks, fermented mango juice. It ingredients only hello. You have to drink last.
Last.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell them how to eat, what to eat first, what to eat last, so that it doesn't get mixed up.
First, akoy na sa thongba matamda dry kharo already asigi mahi se to lakanda sa sina. First si mahi se sida chairani aduga asi charni and then si charni. Akoy gi style di already. Chabagi sidi but asi chai do but yengi yen thongba oirasu sa thongba any kind of sa thongba oirasu mahi yaudra si oina sizinnagadaba. Thank you.
All right, thank you for letting us know what you have cooked. Please serve our judges. Prashamning is the finale. Do you think you have cooked the best food for our judges?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Aduga aikoi judges singje nangi chak singje nangi dishes singje after looking whatever they're eating according to the expression, do you think they like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let them have it, and then we will hear comments from our judges. Are you guys ready? All right.
Final round, Lord, kasi kamain to eh. Harawi ko. Winning or losing doesn't matter. Haiba. First of all, thank you so much. From day one, dagi ko ano makal okay, the introduced to biba gidamak ko different types of food, different somna offer to budo ko. Ado ngasigi way na deep, like we have all said. Kitag district ko ko because last day and mahawgi way na di right spot on, but is it good enough for innovative round haiba malai ko? But out of which all ay napamadi si ampame. For me, this is lighter version of iromba. Iromba se koi na chaba matanda alu yauraga heavy oina ko. This is a lighter iromba gi amna light over version ama oina koina. We can market this, lighter version of iromba. So that is innovative. I don't know, for me, the Somgi community, the adum season aramba, chef, if I'm not wrong, it's common, traditional, right? So this is one thing that we can market, the khangna debo ko, the tampak ta koi khangna desi chana deba sumaina, adu sigi potse koi na introduced away ai. Adu gida makta oina di, I am very happy with your dish. Right? Thank you.
Are you happy with your dish? So, like you say like chicken is your main dish, right? today, since today is an innovative round, what innovative did you create with your chicken? What is the innovation?
Normally, aina thongba matamda just chicken se side da chama kanda hapaga adum thongba oiba. But ngasigidi aina khara matam khara marinate tawba lime ga aduga akoina aina roots ama sizinaba se sura kanda marinate khara pungkhai tang oirasu phangba matamda marinate tawraga magi manamdo asi sa se da leihanbado.
Okay, so basically marination is your technique. Okay, but okay, nice. Like Chef Nikesha said, your ngari, what do you call? Setui. That's like you can have, I think, if you pack that liquid with some rice to any of the village, when you go to farm and all, they will gulp down the food, I think. Thank you so much.
Okay, the chicken, when you marinate it, so like the flavor that you were saying about the roots. So when I had the chicken, I got the flavor of that, but it's not very powerful, not overpowering. So I like the chicken, and plus I like this mango juice because I also make fruit juice, fruit wine, not exactly wine, but then somewhere in that area. So I think I will also try this. Thank you.
Okay, Pershamning, are you happy with the comments you have received from the judges?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Okay, what about the overall comments, feedbacks you receive in this particular competition? How is your experience here?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, thank you so much for the food. Thank you for the hard work you have put into. Thank you and all the best for the results. All right, the contestants are plating, I think they're done plating their food. Next up we have contestant number 1, JS Sicily. All right, looks interesting. One of the best presentations of yours so far. Tell us something about the food you have cooked and how do you want the judges to have it?
All right, thank you so much. Well, earlier I don't wanted to tell everything, so this is my dish today. The main dish is roasted beef, not steak, but then it is presented in a way of steak, like how the steak is presented with sauce along. So I have marinated it with the herbs that is available here. Like the herbs will be shamaroi. It's very common. Awang padigong, we don't used to say. So it is shamaroi and hills pepper. Like I always love it. I've added that, green chilies and sirarikong chili powder in order to enhance a little bit of redness in the color, and a roasted tomato. It was supposed to be added cherry tomato, but then since the pantry has the only tomato, so I added it. So I made that a sauce, and this particular dish is called the dark valley. The dark valley because of the color, the dark nutty valley I should say, because the sauce is made with black sesame that is available over here. Usually in the outside our India, like they use the white sesame that is available, but for our side, for Manipur, we are very common with the black sesame tweeding. So I use that as a sauce, and it is not a beef, it is buff. Actually it is supposed to be, most of the time people used to like beef more, but I would suggest that the buff tastes good as well, and then this is better than the beef. It controls, it has a lot of health benefit as well. And the boils on the side, I call it as early morning catch. My morning catch. You guys have already tasted on the other day. That was boiled, but this one I have stir fry it with the salt, the spring salt as well. So the color remains like as if it is not cooked yet, but it is already stir fry. I keep the rice beside the boil because usually we, the hills people, right beside this the rice, the boil has to be there. So I plate it in that way. And here is my very cute little dessert that I have prepared for you. I use it chakhao, the black rice, sticky rice. I use that, and inside I have take the sticky corn that is available here. I have boiled it and it is stuffed inside. So it is like a bun, but then it is our bun. So I call this as a hill sweet bomb. Like it looks like a bomb, and then I have plated it. The upper one is not peanut, but it is the roasted sticky rice, white rice, and the white sesame as well that is available. I have roasted it, and then just to get the flavor of nutty flavor, sweetness, all together as a sweet bomb. So I hope you enjoy the dish. Thank you.
Okay, Cicely, thank you for explaining us what you have cooked. Please serve your judges and let them have it. Cicely, are you nervous?
No, I'm not nervous. I just enjoy watching them eating my dish.
So, are you happy with the food you have prepared? Is this the way you planned it?
Yes, this is exactly how I have planned it. I'm a big fan of steak. When I was walking outside in Bangalore for the past 6 years, I came to know what exactly steak is. So I love steak so much. When I come back, I just try it out as much as I can improvise the steak. But in this way, it turned out good as well. So I'm just representing this one as my favorite dish. I hope you guys will like it.
Great, thank you. Once the judges are done, we'll take feedbacks and comments from them.
Okay, thank you so much for serving us such a wonderful dish. So, I was thinking, first of all, let me just directly, since we say we'll be strict, let me just go to the point. I was talking with chef. We have indigenous, lots of like local, good, vibrant color fruits. So why would you use strawberry as a garnish? Garnish can be anything vibrant. If you want any vibrant, then why can't you use other fruits that's grown here? That your Awo knows about it. Why do you have to use strawberry? Okay. Overall, like even your steak, it's like I was very worried. It might be very tough. Okay, but it's soft. That's great. That's very hard to be achieved though. Okay, you have done it well. Thank you.
Kay Pawi. Always be happy. Few components I give favorite. Vegetables the way you cook it. I really enjoy the texture, the flavor, right amount of salt. Sauce is soup. I really love the sauce. And steak can be of different magi thong bagi temperature magi texture may amamoy. But for me little kitabudi well done ko. But I usually like my steak hargadi. I like it medium or medium rare. Aduna see aigi oina di kitang slightly tough, but it's okay, understandable, because we are not very exposed to eating steaks, and people will say if you serve medium to the people here, they'll say nangi steaks mundre, take it back and harakani. That has happened to me also. So I totally understand. So I'm not gonna judge on how the texture is, but I like the flavor. Yamna subtle oiraga flavor to loina compliment amaga tawe. So thank you so much for that.
First of all, thank you. And then it was I was not really into the steak, because I'm also like someone who likes it very well done, especially in meat. So, but then I like the texture, and then it goes along with the vegetables again. So, and then we usually especially your dessert, I like it because it has the sweet corn. I can get the taste of the sweet corn, because we don't usually use sweet corn in the thing. We use the job tears or the black rice along with it. But then this was something new. So thank you.
All right, Cecily, are you happy with the feedbacks and comments our judges give? How would you like to respond to that?
I am very satisfied, but I would like to give a reply to what Chef has talked about the strawberry. I wanted to make this dish not only known in Manipur itself. Strawberry is a very common fruit, even in international, everywhere, and then it is a very eye-catching one. So when we say have the sticky rice dessert, they will not like, what is that? But in order to attract by that color, and then strawberry is a well-known one. Even though it tastes sour, people still like it. So I just stuff it over there in the corner so that it will attract and promote. And once they taste the sticky rice bun, they will love that sticky rice, and then our chakhao will be like famous, and they will come to like it as well because of that.
Thank you so much. So is this strawberries like the advertisement part? Right. Thank you, Cecily. Yeah, thank you. And best wishes. The results will be there soon. Wish you the best for that as well. Thank you for the food.
Overwhelming. So today I prepare a simple dish inspired by my heritage. I'm from Thanga, an island in Loktak Lake. And today's dish, the favorite meat of the Nagas or the hills is the pork. And it's a bit risky, but I did not use much ingredients. Salt, sirarokong chili, which is the favorite of the Nagas. And then they don't put onion in the pork, they put garlic. But I also put onion at the end because it represents the valley. And the top of the pork is the fried crispy lotus roots, which represents my heritage, an island girl. So it represents that the lotus which usually floats in the water is now floating on tops of the hill. So here is the dish, and the other one is grilled pineapple. I made it with the perilla seeds. We have a salad thing, like when we eat fruit salad, we put perilla in everything. So inspired by that, I made brown sugar, perilla seeds, and then I caught it with some butter, and then I grilled it. And this one I mix. Carrot, cucumber, some onion, and a little. This will be a bit mild because I want it to have a very subtle, like, because our indigenous food is like people do not like the taste, and then for foreigners, if we have to promote, I think simplicity is the best thing, and that's how we're gonna attract more tourists. And I think this palette will be everyone's favorite. Thank you.
Okay, Jayshree, thank you for explaining about your dishes. Kindly serve our judges.
fried it double time because everyone was waiting, and then I fried it double times because I was already over it, but then as I have to wait for other contestant, I fried it, double fried it. First, I would advise her to eat with the both like onion and then garlic, the meat and the lotus roots all together. And also I put the Naga's favorite wild tomato or wild brinjal with sweet potato. I forgot to mention that. And then I also put some kokum, a traditional fruit of which is found only in the hills. So I hope the judges enjoy what I made today. Please have it together. Sir, please eat it with this one mixed. And then, because there has to be an order in eating, because last time I did not explain properly. Last time I didn't say the order properly, so I don't want to mess up today. That's why today is the final round, and I want to be serious. Eat with this bit of potato, which I grilled it, and after that I'll be serving the pineapple, and then you can have it with this chutney. This is the side dish, ma'am. Please have a taste of the chutney.
Nathum ayarli yang dak lebing ji jam tak lai. Ha, marar ko hiwak. Ngai saloi thum tong ko shang rumor ko. Joyce, what do you think would stand out among all the dishes? Your favorite?
Today, I know that my meat is very different because I first put it in the pressure cooker and I made it like 4 or 5 whistles, and then I grilled it and I like kind of simmer it in not like on its own oil, and then I put a bit of water, so it's gonna be different. The pork is gonna be so different, I would say.
Okay, I hope the judges like it. They're having it to their field. Once they're done, we'll come back to you with their comments. हो गया चलो जज निकेश दगी comments
Hey Khalei, dish.
I think I made it perfect.
Okay. Overall, how and different component pull up chamin rakpa matam like you said, it's balanced, and pineapple though, especially the pineapple, ek chawa matam the kang matam ningjangi. The memory, some food are associated with childhood memories, so that's what it is, right? Nostalgic feeling and all that. And pork with pineapple, good combination. How na chagre. But I felt that this was not necessary. This one, the chutney do ka flavor, in terms of flavor, pork ka chamin na ba matam da kitang contrast set kare ba ka. So you already had so many flavors in the pork the flavor mayamam yaure, and then with the pineapple do na nasagi porky fattiness to cut down to greba. But then this was something else. But otherwise, pork with the pineapple and rice, for me, I'll be very happy if you serve me that. Right. Thank you.
I like the combination of your the pork. I like the combination of your pork with the lotus stem. It has a crunch, and then even the meat is also soft enough. And I like the idea of your pineapple. Thank you.
Actually, I was looking forward towards pineapple because when people doesn't like, people must be shocked like pineapple and pork, right? But then yes, pineapple really complements pork. But if you had instead of your chutney, okay, if you have made pineapple sauce with the with the to have with the pork, that will be more innovative, okay. And then I think you need like more like the pork, I think it's a little bit like if you have cooked more it would have been better. Yes, yes. Okay. And then even you added sweet potato, right? Okay, that's something new because people never add sweet potato, they add potatoes, right? Okay, keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, just before you say that, you said you thought it is perfect, but the judges have given their opinion on your food. How would you like to respond to that?
Um, the dish that I prepared today is my first time preparing, and yeah, the sauce did not turn out well. But the idea behind it was that I just actually I want to put salad, but then I thought like everyone will eat salad every time, so I just mix the carrots, cucumber, the onion. But then I think I should have started fresh.
Okay, thank you for the food, Joyশ্ree, and I wish you the best in the final round. I mean the result. Thank you. Next up we have N Tanchuila, contestant number 4. Okay, Tanchuila, the presentation looks interesting. Tell us more about the food you have prepared and how would you like our judges to have it?
Good evening, everyone. Today I have prepared a simple dish because in the past days I have preparing a lot of spicy and salty dishes. So today I have made a little bit bland, and this my main dish will be this buff dish with egg, fish egg, and then this I make this egg soup because this this buff dish is a little bit sour because I added kogum sauce. I added a little bit of the liquid, and then it make the food little bit flavor. So I added it, and for this specific one, I make this with my own hand. I with a combination of coconut milk and mango and sticky rice, and I added this because people prefer to eat with some fruits. So I added this one. So this is all from my side.
Great presentation. Kindly serve our judges once the plates are ready. Okay, serve our judges, please. Let them know how you want them to eat, if there is an order to eat it or if there's anything new to have it together, the combination. Arui Sarsadakle, contestant number 4 Tanchuila hi hungpung wenane ache atumna hangdakle hi innovation gachu teamwe azingli hangdakle ne. First day thang atum we hang thai mai thui ji hang khai ne. Second day thang atum na thali ayur chung ka hang we minimum 5 dishes ga ayana vegetarian with team li hang khai ne. Ache hina innovation gi team at azingli atum na muchuk khui laga mina ma hang lag rang gi chathan han bing hi hang mi dak lai sa ne. Atum aje final ne. Aja Kuyu Bajali winner declares Samira. Kala award cash prize 50,000 Miki da lay. Second pali 30,000 Mira. Kala thirdly 20,000 Mira. Contestants ka tapingly consolation prizes la haimi haidilay. ไม่ใช่พัดเลยมั้ง
ได้ตัวเอง
nervous สุดละ
ชิรัดเลย
Okay, Tanchula, are you satisfied with the food you have prepared? Are you nanahi kreli hangkai Malaysia? Is this the first time you're preparing it, or have you made this before?
Some of the dishes I have made it before, but I mix some of this, and then actually I was not going to prepare this, but my plan got changed, so I made it by myself and then prepare on the time.
So, do you think the change of plan would give you advantage, or do you think the other plan would have worked out more?
I just think it as a God will.
Okay, Kachihanji really mere Tanchula na. All right, chef, are you done? Comments on her food, please.
Which one is your main dish? Buff dish with the egg. Are you satisfied with the way you prepared your buff? Okay. Okay, and what about the dessert? Are you satisfied with it?
For me, the dessert I like it being sweet, but I can't go with my own preference, so I make it less sugar. I added less sugar and then make it little bit bland.
Okay, I saw you pounding like the rice, right? So your method, the way you prepare is really interesting. I was really looking forward to it, but your main dish, I'm a little bit disappointed with your main dish. Okay, you would have done better. Overall, it's a very nice dish. Okay, thank you.
Tangchula. Relax. It's okay. Soup. Really nice. Yam hawe soup se ko. Very similar to mine man ba egg drop soup ka yam lai ko Chinese cooking kano da aduga confusion kitang di lai re haidi buff ki sigi main dish siga egg siga haidi
I made this my main dish because when the buff was cooked, there was a little bit of oil, so I fried it. I fried the fish egg with that same oil. Because of that, it made me the same thing.
Okay, so usually akoina dish ama chaba matam da protein ani se combine tau de ko. We never combine two proteins, so it's only one protein that you pick. Ko it's a kind one rule hai tare ko culinary gi rule da, and adum akoi gi culturally food akoi gi cuisine me am yeng matam da su combine tau da bane ba. We don't cook with paneer and fish, right? Two different thing. Or protein do aduna yarigoi you try to pick one good protein, and aduna khitang chaba matam the flavor wise study I really enjoyed. And yam hawe aduga ani dugi combination do chana bra haiba, that's where question comes in, right? But thank you otherwise. Thank you so much.
It was a good dish. It was a good dish. The beef, and then like Chef Nigesh said, it's a little confusing. It's true, but then I also like your idea of making the dessert, because it's something a little similar to the Thai dessert, the mango sticky rice. So it's similar, and then I like the flavor of the sticky rice also. Thank you.
Thank you, judges, for your comments. Tanchula, kaktirma suita aruji shakai chili.
She's there.
They have given you their honest feedback, and they have been a bit stricter since this is the finale. How would you like to respond to the feedback you have received? Are you happy with it, or any rebuttals to that?
No, I'm very happy. I don't have nothing to say.
All right, thank you for the food. Thank you so much. All right. Next we have Table number 5, contestant number 5, Solan Mijaju. Alrighty, Solanmi, you have prepared something different from the past 3 days. It looks more colorful. Nana Kisemaili, what is it? And then how would you like the judges to eat it?
This one is my main dish. I boil the pork with some garlic and chili powder. Just that we like to eat it like simple way, but since this the day's innovation, I create something like new in a new way. I roasted it, and this one is gravy, and this one is bamboo shoot and the perla chutney. I hope you like it. This one is soup.
I hope you like it, Jen. All right.
Mushroom, tomato, and kayakha.
Please serve our judges. Solanmi Jajo is the youngest contestant. She is only 18 years old. She is a college student, a very talented person. Itum arira yang dak lei zanga ishi contestant singli. Contestant number 1 jina Sicily ne ahi nongdam now ne. Kenya pa jina Tanchuila and Hongbung now. She is Solanmi and Shinka Buena. Table number 2 pa na Persham ning Rumun Chiru now ne Chandel Wena ne. Contest Akangpokpi sorry. Next ina Sushila Abonmai and Tangkhul Ifra kaine liang mara Tangkhul on kaine, and the last one is Joysri Haisnam Ana Maitaine. So they're contesting. They have been contesting since day 1, the 20th. This is today's the finale, and their theme of the day is innovation. And the winner of this contest will be awarded with 50,000 rupees. Runners up 30, and second runners up 20k. Kisa da atum hi. Kala title Shechef season 4 winner dang tanda klein atumna. Solanmi, are you happy with the food you have prepared? Nana hangkangai ji horsak mara shok to.
Yeah, I'm happy. The food I've made, I'm really happy.
Okay. You might be happy, but do you think it tastes good?
I hope so.
I hope they like it.
I hope they like it.
That is her favorite line. On every concluding remark, she'll say, "I hope they like it." That is why they like it every time you serve them, right?
Soup.
Was the vibrant voice of the Tangkhul cowboy Osin Soho. Thank you so much.
Okay, Chef Jingyo Xinglai, please comment on the food.
Since you say you grill this like a barbecue style of pork, right? Okay, the grill ka smell and the smokiness flavor really comes in. Okay, the way you cook and the way the grill ka smoke came is really good. And then eating together with the gravy is kind of good. But then your shoibu, your bamboo shoot and perla, I think you add too much of perla. If you have added a little bit lesser, then it would have been better. Okay, thank you.
Happy? Yes. Simple food, mamang desu haigre ko. And that's who you are ko. The way you cook food, it's simplicity. That's nangi hairga di adugi do trademark oy dineba. Okay? And in a very good way. And ngasi baw day one dagi na ngasi baw thongak pa se. I can eat your food every day. You know what I mean? Hoy di charaga su dum next day da su dum chaba ngamba. Certain food ngasi tang charaga next day da muk chaba ngamda ba mayamam lari ba ko. That's what your trademark is simplicity at its best. And you can work on it because we have worldwide oina ko. Yamna simple oiba food mayamam lari ba. Hainanese chicken kind of. It's just basically boiled rice, boiled chicken. But it's the flavor duneba. So you should work on that, right? Thank you so much for offering simple food yet so satisfying. Right. Thank you.
Like chef, the other judges were saying, like you always present us with very simple and very soulful, very homely food. The pork, I don't really like. I'm a very picky eater, and I don't eat fats. But then the sauce that you gave along with the pork fats, it goes really well together. So, good, very good. Thank you.
All right, so let me, I think, like you said, they liked your food. Would you like to say anything to the judges?
I just want to say thank you for for the feedbacks. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you to you too for the food you have prepared. I hope you'll give me some later. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the last contestant of the day, we have Sushila Abonmai to serve you what she has prepared. Sushila, please.
And meanwhile, the second position of the mountain.
Wow, it looks interesting. Sushila never fails to amaze us with presentation. Sushila, nang kari thongeng shi.
I can see spice steamed fish.
Huh?
Steamed fish.
And is that your main dish? And what about the side dishes? Please tell us something about it.
Yeah, steamed fish will be my main dish. Aduga side dana side dish na ahogi pea sauce. Aduga matang dana azay boil.
And what about this?
Asina di dum dessert oina sa singe or asing ngasigi oina di presentation dum dui damak thamani aduga rice ay asi included daw de adu kitang dum haizaningi sige maramda ngasi ay chak ta use store masu yai adu ay ngasi karigi foxtail millet use to bano haibasi ay dum kitang haijage maramdi hojiksi dum mayam nasu uramgani khoigi PM Prime Minister Narendra Modi na hoji India da millet use to ngai si yam kana mana dum krehagani slogan lauraga dum leibani aduga hojiki matam sidi health conscious oiba matam ni na millet asi kaino fiber gi suruk yamba vitamin aduga sugar level, blood sugar level gisu increase to the vida lower to hon bangame, and then cholesterol sudum lower to hon bangame na haye ado yaw draga su ay na dum promote toning ba hay katare ko ay ko ida su yam leibani ado hojik matam ji kana thai na goi nori ngai dadi cha ba ji kitang dum cha ba di phange ado hojik matam dadi mi sing ji cha pa unadre ado ni na ngasi sigma competition matam ji da ay na sigi slogan ji la chance lori hera ka si da dum promote toning ba hay tare ado ying si foxtail millet si use to zabni adaga steam fish spice apre hera ka steam fish to bani ado yam spicy oibadi oiroi aina dum mapanda hana thabak surak pa matamda akhoi this mayam jimin sabganda spicy oye di hai ado khoina in other words things here gadi akhoi tradition ne sara ga zum try to hai bi ai ado ga su ngasa hai badone health conscious oi bani na dum morok kuma da su spice ha ga su yam sa handre aduga akhoi chatnabi oina ngaga hawai thrak si yam thong nei aduni na direct thonga ga pi ba ji su dum in terms of marketing da di dum kaya phajab de wat panina aina agoi green peas in dum sauce ki type ta sem do e har innovation round oi begi kitang marketing da hena phajani ngai haina pea sauce se hapani aduga cucumber boiled adani.
Thank you so much, Sushila. I hope it tastes the same way as it looks good. Please serve our judges, and we'll let them comment on it.
The youngest, and now, ladies and gentlemen, the senior most
Let them know if is there's
mustard leaf mustard seed ki sauce ne adu achar ne adum extra ne abitare dum chani ngadi dum chamina bayai or pamdra gana dum lothope.
Yeah. While you serve, if there is any way or order of having it together or differently, you let them know.
While the youngest participant, 13 years old, received a 3,000 cash prize. May I request all the brave participants to get your certificates after the musical concert. And now all the winners will have a memorable group photograph with the honored guests, Honorable Amei, AC, Shirui, and the headman of Shirui, Mr. Sham. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a big hand! Thank you so much to Honorable MLA AC, Shirui for doing us the honors, and heartiest congratulations to the winners. We also congratulate
I've seen this since day one.
And now, the celebration goes on. It's our next singer to rock the stage, ladies and gentlemen. Till 4 p.m. we have the musical concert going on, after which preparation will be made for the breathtaking Miss Shirui Lily 2025 beauty pageant. Meanwhile, the next artist is the next artist is on stage. Achon Soho. Soho-san. Achon, come on.
I'm gonna take more because I want to see the texture of the fish.
Let her have it. Let her have it.
I put here sesame sauce.
Sesame sauce.
Happy with the food you have prepared?
Yes. I yum na so hana try tawgre ado dum ay friend circle sing ay murpsing na di pami di hay ado
Hawai haibra.
hawai di hay ado mi ji loi te sungan mane na chef koi na kamai toram dai na di khang de ado mi dum at least 10 muk ne ai dum try tau tau e marak ta yum da thonga ga di mayam kawra ga ko adamu mi du yam bana dum hawe ha ga di moi ju yai na di hai do male.
Okay, we'll help from the judges whether they like it or not.
The host really likes your presentation wise, okay? He loves it. So yeah, leaving out the presentation and everything, I really like the fact that you use millets and all for cooking, because you are the first person who used millets, and I really appreciate that for using that. Okay, and then your steamed fish really complements with the pea sauce. Eating alone, it will be bland, and eating the sauce alone is a bit like what to say. It's overpowering, but then together it complements a lot. Okay, it's really nice. Thank you.
That's what I wanted to know. That's why you were
hiding. But the flavor is coming.
But I like yangmichingda.
Yeah, the flavor comes. No, because of the yangmichingda, the fish ka flavor is gone. Sure.
Tuning. No, but it's okay. Adune mathaki layer charakpa matamda makhagi mahau dusu khitang lakpo ko. So I wanted to know what's at the bottom. Adugi na khot lagay yang ido. But really good. Makhagi yang lagi manam dusu la ebo ko. Fish ka yang lagi habis am chana ba puat ne ba ko. Haidi nga gi manam do mana hat pa ne. Aduna I really enjoyed aduga green pea sauce ka fish ka haibase dum mayamna worldwide accept or a classic combination ne ba ko. And your innovation part will be yangangla hapsan bodo marak to da, so that is our identity haiba mako yangangla sidi kya season na deba ai sumapan da chapa matam da steam fish to was any sort of salmon season na gera tuna season na gera yangangla da yo meba, and people love it. So I'm so happy that you did that today, and thank you so much. How adagi season na riba millets ka season na ko something new haidi mayam na to da mayam ma to se. So thank you so much.
A very nice presentation. Like you were saying about the leaf that you use for the steaming of the fish, because we use that one only in the ironba, so it's something different, right? With the fish and all. And then your pea, the sauce is very creamy and it goes well together with the fish. So thank you.
Alrighty, Sushila. I think they liked it, and also they caught the trick which you were doing it. But still, they liked it. What would you like to say about the comments and feedbacks given to you? Nungaibra.
Yam ngai amarawe aina zum expect awe sef koi na zum pelang mani na tha jai maram di aiju competition yaw do mani na ai dum yum da try to ba hala mayam na yara bani na sef koi na su yaga da ba ma le ai jing si last day so ba kitang mi hun chu tuk 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 chong ba do sef koi na yam pam mai da mak chu yam ngai right. Thank you.
So what the hard work you have put into.
Yes.
Great. Thank you so much for the food, Sushila. I wish you the best in the mark tabulation. Thank you. See you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the food presentation, and I would like to request all the contestants to kindly come to your table. All the contestants, yes, please remain there. Thank you. The food presentation is over. Now, to end it, I would like to request our judges to kindly overall comment on the whole competition, also of the today's round. And since today, also an information, the result will not be declared now. Result will be declared later in the evening in the main stage, right? So keep praying. And if you want more marks, who knows, cook some more food for the judges. Yeah. All right, judges, how has the competition been? Okay, how has the competition been? Comment on the contestants about everything. Concluding remark on this particular competition. Let's start with Chef Teresa.
overall, like, good job, everyone. You have improved every day, and you have brought everything like it's very creative, and then you have presented very well, and I think I have also learned a lot from you guys, like your method of cooking and some flavors that's been added in your curry. So like I will also be practicing at home also with whatever you have done, and then winning and losing, everyone like do not lose hope, because you can. There's a lot way to go. You have a long way to go, and don't be disheartened that you didn't get through or you didn't get anything. So you can always try again. Okay, thank you.
Congratulations, everyone. Ka. And day one dagi horaga ngasi baukta aigi oina, or anybody who's present here, sida lairibasing sige, it has become a journey. Sharing of moments, sharing of tears, sharing of emotions. Mayama mo ko. Food harisidi, it's always associated with emotions, memories, wari mayam, culture, heritage mayam do. And thank you so much for sharing that with us. And aigi oina su enrichment, enlightenment ama oire ko. And mayam dagi recipe ay khangba su ngame, aduga ina hana torom daba, taste torom daba, makal makal gi mahaw kaya ama su phange ko. Aduna, thank you so much, and we can work together in the future. And this is this is just the beginning of a new journey. All right, thank you so much.
First of all, I want to congratulate you all. You have done very well, okay? All of you should be very proud of what you have done. I mean, like, even we ourselves, we are very impressed by the methods of cooking that you even show us, that we came to know about, like, different cultures, different villages have different types of cooking methods of cooking, the way they eat, like contestant number 2 have like shown us today, which is very new, but it's very appetizing, okay? And then like even contestant number 4, the way she has like cooked the rice with the husk on it and then pound it, that's a very good one. Like that's new for all of us as well. So we are also learning from you, getting to know new things, and you guys are also representing your own like culture. That's very we are very thankful to you all, and overall you all have done very well. Well, let's hope for the best. Do not be disheartened, whatever it may come. Let's motivate each other, and then let's look forward for a better one. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, judges. They have, oh, is it the other way around? Okay. They have been your mentor for before the event starts and even during the competition. Shall we give a bigger round of applause for them? They deserve it. All right, thank you. Since this is the finale, I would like to give an opportunity to each and every one of you to share a brief about the experience you have experience here in this competition. Let us start with contestant number.
Patient do asida showcase to pangbagi damakta su ahanma maktada akhoi ma'am sang curator amasung ma'am gi better half service am nungaire sigma platform si mayam gi state level si da puthopi bai damakta aduga ngasi akhoi sigma gi phazarba nungairaba competition asida judges oibidana lairiba judges ahombusu thank you moyingondagina su yamna learn toba phangi haibasi judges singbusu haining bani aduga asida as a whole team oina ko ai friends sing contestant fellow sing aduga asida staff oina pangbiriba mayam busu thank you no mayam gi help yawbagi ne ngasi khoina competition das maina compete toba phangbasi haibasi no busu thank you haibasi hainingi aduga Subda aina asi competition the lak lay heraga asidi yaubasi yamna nuai maramdi aigi thongba khotpagi passion ase aina khangjabadu khakna tabida aigi fellow contestants sing different cultures different community tuan ba mafam dai lakpani adani na moingon dai na khara khara ga mayam ji yenga ga tamjaba phangmase ai damakti yamna new things learn tauba phange aduga ai future dasu moingon da ina learn tau kiba myam dasu ai dum use tauge promote taumina je habisu hainingi aduga and then at last not least aina viewers myam dasu hainingi maramdi akoi manipur da akoi ki mem na su hai kre cooking ase chef asi dum madi kari tobra na ina chadi hai as madi chang sang thong mane hai ba gum ase am hai aduna yari makai ima ipa sing ko nungsira ba ima ipa sing na su icha sing du bu thabiu siguma da encourage story hai raga akoi gi culture gi khoi gi how ba chinjak si su promote to mina si hai ba si su thamjare hai raga si da lo chinjar ge thank you.
Thank you, Sushila. Very encouraging and motivating. Okay, Tanchula, please share us your experience in this competition.
Thank you so much. Ari shavu bala yang lei da tangkhul join hangau ge. Az hitada otbam sang panghi itumbang ba management katamna kasada wuivang ba platform ka khane kala issue mem ni learning chinaye gajia tangkhul hili hikta opportunity hi khurak mi wuivang kala iwing sot naw ka tharbing ni sampang khangsak wang ningshiya kai re kala matai makeup dai ningshi makeup gajia itumui staff itumni ngjon mi da khalei thang wi hikta ngjon mi da khalei od kata sam mi da khalei bing ni ningshiya gajia itumna majam da root sa sala bae thalala atumna itumui od ji kashung me da sammi da juwaina ningshiye itum atumui khangjom sang se jiba hila da sarai da mapning ne juwaina atumni gchung kha ningshi phungsok le ningshila gai re.
Okay, Tanchula ning share na lila nawi katang sila mga wamay no. Miss Solan Mijajo, please share your experience of this competition nawi. Concluding remark.
Firstly, this is a big experience for me. I want to thank all our ma'am, our sir, and all the judges. And I've learned a lot of things from my elder sisters. And also, I want to especially thank our brothers and sisters who has helped us a lot in this journey. I've learned a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I hope they like it. Ningshnarko. Salan me. Okay, last but not the least, Joyshri. Nangi experience kara share tawbiyoshi competition and lakpaki.
I have a lot to say. Since I'm the last speaker, I will have the most to say. I didn't. I parents I mother budi haram me duga khoi pa de I shida competition yaw balakani hen haram de. And I told him that since I'm prepared, I say UPSC preparation to bune so I khopada library like par like khole and hai aduga ayam matamda hauji mai tai singsina hills da lak pase yam ki especially because Manipur irang ho khibadagi the hills and valleys say hoi hanadagi sunungshine but then not that tight bond I would say ado sigi bond se hena kai kre aduna trust deficit ama adum lerega lei adu aina I wanted to take this opportunity aduga chidalaga ai culture Manipur gi cuisine ulaga maitai macha ai yaudaba habise it's incomplete so I took the risk I don't know if I go what will my father say but for the love of my food I came here to represent at the same time I aim in life say my aim in life is never at one stop I want to become an IS officer and that does not end here. And also, at the end, I love food and I want to be a restaurateur. So that's what aina mangza ba se. Ado shida lang pada tungan ba culture. Beli dadi khatna chaina ba ma'am thoy ado shida di akoy nungshi na ba ngatane na handagi thabal chonge maringi jagoi sae chirugi keno tawe and then kapminaye and then I also got I na bane ngarang nahan I was vomiting and all but then I pushed myself. I did my best, I would say. And thank you so much, Papa team, for giving such a home in the hills. Thank you for the fraternity. Thank you so much.
Thank you for sharing your story and your experience, Joyshri. All right, ladies and gentlemen, for the final concluding remark, I would like to invite our curator of Shechef. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Achon Shangrewan Molto. Without this person, this competition would not have been possible. The one and only Achon. your concluding remark on this competition.
Like listening to Joyshree's remark, I was like teary. So first of all, I would like to thank our Almighty God for giving me the determination and the strength to be able to do and to be continue pursuing it. I believe this is the first time we are getting some recognition. Initial stage was like we had a lot of challenges, but then like support from the team members and my especially I would like to mention Chingyo, who has been with me since I'm single. So whenever I call her for something, she would always support me. So yeah, overall it has been a beautiful journey for us, and it has been a big accomplishment for myself and for the team also. And like all the contestants, like Thantrila wanted to participated in the Miss contest, but then when she chose her passion like food, it really inspired me, because and I told her, you follow your passion. And she's doing a hotel management in IHM Shillong, and I wish her the best also. And for other other contestants, if you are passionate about it, like Joyshri, you go for it. We live once, and we need to do what we love. And judges, Chef Athini, Chef Nikes, and Chef Chingyo, for the beautiful inputs you have given, and for giving that creative feedback. Sometimes I was looking at Athini, she was always give positive feedback. Always I was just observing her. But then Chef Nikes and Chingyo on critical, some critics also, that has to be there. Because if life is always about positive, then you don't struggle that. So sometimes they have been giving you the negative feedback sometimes, then that lifts you up. And overall, this season 4 has been the best one, with our one of the high value brand guy, Mr. Sorintan, hosting the competition. I would like to thank him also, and for all the inputs, and for all the advice he had been given to me also, and for the support. Yeah. Lastly, and I would like to again thank God for being with us throughout the day. We as a Christian started this with a prayer, then to be with God to be with us till the end of this competition. And I believe this is the end, and prize distribution is yet to be done. But so far so good. Joyshri is having some difficulties, but then we are taking good care of her. We have a medical team also. So my team members, Rima and Martina and Leishipem, you can see them how energetic they are. The boys, Ading, Ason, and Michael. So we are a great team. You can see that. I was just looking at there, and they work like a robot. You don't have to tell them. So without them, it would not have been possible. Without the contestants and the judges and our hosts. Thank you, everyone. And we'll continue to do it again, and we'll shine again together with God. That we should never forget God in our life. That it's God who bring us and have these memorable activities. Yeah, so thank you very much.
That is it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the end of Shechef Season 4. Thank you all so much. We all did great, and may the best win. Also, share the prizes, treat your friends in case you win it. All right, thank you all so much. Thank you, audience, judges, curator, contestants, everyone, and also to the Tangkhul Express for covering this event. Thank you so much. See you in the next edition. Thank you. Bye-bye. Wait, from my now it's not live anymore, huh? Not live anymore. From my side as well, it has been a very